Intro. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a subject that's crucial to your productivity at work, managing notifications in Jira, the popular project management tool by Atlassian. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at customizing your notification settings, optimizing email and in-app alerts, and even managing digest and alert notifications. Ready? Let's dive in.
Middle.
First off, you'll need to navigate into Settings located in the top bar, and then jump into the subcategory General Settings. As you scroll, you'll find an option called Notification Settings. This is where we'll be focusing our attention today. In this settings area, you've got control over how and when you receive notifications from Jira. The great thing about these settings is that you can usually change them at any time to fit your needs. For example, under the Email Preferences section, you're able to decide what kind of email updates you'd like to receive and the frequency of these updates. It's super important you set these right, as they determine how engaged you are with your ongoing projects. You'll see options to receive emails based on whether you're the assignee, the reporter, or whether you've made changes to work items. This is incredibly useful as real-time updates keep you in the loop, ensuring you're never left in the dark about crucial tasks. There's also an option to group notifications together, because let's face it, a cluttered inbox can slow you down. Going a step further, you can also customize the notification settings for specific spaces you are a part of. Now, this is key if you're working on multiple projects or with different teams, as you can tailor the notifications to what matters the most to you in each space. Next up, we move on to the digest area. Think of this as a summary of everything important that happened while you were away. You can set up to receive notifications about due or overdue work items either via email or an app, so you never miss those key deadlines. But what about those critical, time-sensitive alerts? Jira got you covered. In the Alerts section, you can add various contact methods like email, SMS, or voice, and even scan a QR code to receive push notifications on your mobile device through the Jira Cloud mobile app. Lastly, you can add a layer of customization to the alerts through notification rules and notification forwarding. Whether you want repeated alerts until they're acknowledged or want to forward notifications to a teammate, you've got that control. And when it's time to focus or take a break, you can activate the Do Not Disturb feature, muting all notifications for specified quiet hours. This feature really puts the manage and manage notifications, giving you the reins to balance productivity and downtime effectively. Outro. Phew, we've covered quite a lot today, haven't we? But don't worry, the beauty of Jira is that it's all about customizing to your personal needs. Take your time, try different settings, and find what works best for you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment if you have any questions, or if there are other Jira topics you'd like us to cover. And remember to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more tutorials like these. Until next time, happy project managing.